Hello there, good morning. The time is 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And why have I woken up this early? Well, one of my friend wanted to do some landscape photography of a place and a waterfall actually, and he asked me if I wanted to join. And for stuff like this, I'm always ready. So we plan to leave at around 7:10. So for now, I'll just get ready and see you on the bike. Let's go. Oh yeah, about the bike. Wait. My right hand here met with an unfortunate incident and I won't be able to ride my bike at least for today. So for today I'll be riding pillion on my friend's scooter. So see you on that. Let's go. It is brought to my notice by the YouTube gods that many of y'all watch my videos without subscribing. So if you are one of them, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Thank you. And now let's roll the intro. And we are on the way to our first waterfall. Yes, you heard that right. Our first waterfall for the day. Stick around for the second one because that one is an absolute beauty. The weather is just perfect today for a bike ride. I think I'll just bless you all with a few cinematic shots of this place. Are you ready?
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Day out with content creators. So this deep in the video, you all would be wondering what is the location of the place, or many of you all will be commenting in the comment section that what is the location of the place. Well, places like this, it is not easy to give out the location because they are not available on Google Maps. And then also places like Kola Beach, Butterfly Beach, where I can share the location with you, which is available on Google Maps. Even Kapderam Fort, I have already shared those in the each and every video. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And if you all are telling me to record the whole path, well, even that is not possible because the video would turn out to be more than 40-30 minutes. With the photo shoot and everything done, we move on to the second location. And this one is one of my all-time favorite locations. Because it has a bit of everything, and the peace and the beauty of this place is just mesmerizing. And that right there is the main waterfall at this place. Till the time I take to reach the waterfall, you can enjoy this beautiful sequence of the place. Why did I stop you? Well, to show you the reality of the place, which not many people will show.
No! God, please, no! No!
कचरा तरी खंय कमी जायना कितलोय डीप यो तू फॉरेस्टान
कौन है ये लोग
My point in showing you this is
कहाँ से आते
to
हैं?
give a message to carry back your trash from the places you visit along with the memories from the place. Now let's move on to some behind the scenes. And this is exactly what happens when you tell me to wake up early. This place, as I said before, is really very beautiful. But check this out. Glasses are the new pebbles.
Well done. तालियां होनी चाहिए.
I really don't understand the logic of people breaking glass bottles in a place like this. I mean, this can injure someone pretty badly. See, places like this, it is impossible to share a location with you all, because literally if you don't have a connection with a local over here, it is impossible to get to a place like this. And if somehow you all get to a place like this, please don't do this. Okay, take your stuff back. Thank you. The least you can do if you can't take them back is at least keep them in a safer place where it won't harm anyone, and don't break them, please. Anyways, the best option is always to take it back and throw it in a designated dustbin. So, if you watched the video till here, एक like और एक share तो ज़रूर बनता है, and a sub to the channel as well if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Take care and peace.
So please subscribe, whatever.